Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw from backgroundchecks.com data removal detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting backgroundchecks.com on your web browser. Navigate to the home page of the website. Look for the data removal or opt-out section, which is typically located in the footer or main menu. Click on the link to access the data removal page. You may need to enter your email address to proceed, so input your email in the provided field. Check your email for a confirmation message from backgroundchecks.com. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your request. Return to the data removal page on backgroundchecks.com. Fill out the required form to initiate the removal process. Provide accurate personal information such as your name, address, and any other requested details. Double-check the information you've entered to ensure it is correct. Submit the form once you're sure all details are accurate. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your removal request has been received. You should receive a follow-up email once your data has been processed. Keep that email for your records as proof of your removal request. If you do not receive a confirmation, consider reaching out to their customer support. Be patient, as the removal process may take several days to complete. Check back periodically to confirm that your data has been removed from the site. Once confirmed, you can feel secure knowing your information is no longer publicly accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.